Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this tutorial I will tell you how you can select or how you can check the appointment date in any country. So you can check in advance how much time it will take the appointment, as directly you will find out the appointment, or you have to wait how many days or how many months. You can check directly by online. Just you have to select your country from here, in which country you are resident, so you have to select, and then you can check the appointment according to that embassy. In my case, in this tutorial I am choosing the UK. So if you are resident in the UK, then you can check out the appointment date, because in Pakistan it taking 2 to 6 months, but in UK we will check how many days it will take or how many months it will take. So you can check by advance with dummy data. So here I am filling out the dummy data. You have to fill all the necessary information with the dummy data. So after that you can delete it. So I am here filling out. So as you can see that I am just putting out all the information by dummy, not a correct each and everything, just by formality I am giving the information. So by giving the giving the normal information, as you can see that I am just filling out the data. So it doesn't means it is correct or wrong. Just you have to fill out the all the necessary information. You have to provide all the necessary informations. So you have to complete the all the steps. After that you will see the appointment dates. So by this method you can find out the exact date. So you can plan according to this. So when you will get the appointment date accurately. So in each and every country has a different criteria. So according to your own country you can select the you can plan your study abroad further for the Germany. So here it is, I am just giving the formality data. So you don't need to follow this video. Just you have to follow the main things where you are country resident, and you want to go to Germany. So you want to know about the appointment date. So it is very best method to check the appointment current date, because this portal is updated in March 2025. So nobody know how appointment is going on. So you can check this appointment date by this method. So it is very easy. Just you have to give the formality data. So according to this, I am again telling you, according to this you can plan for the Germany, because in Pakistan it is giving a 2 to 6 month waiting list. So it is very awkward. So you in these means in these months or in these days you can go to the abroad and other countries. So you don't need to wait for it. So it totally depends. If your target is only Germany, then you must have to wait it. If your target is not Germany, and you have to go as soon as possible to the abroad, so you can select the country according to appointment. So Germany always takes too much time, but I think in UK it will takes less than 1 month time, because there is no working load, too much working load, because in Pakistan there is a too much working load. But I think in the UK it will not definitely go to this appointment will not go to the appointment. It directly will I think provide the preliminary review to your application. So you just have to fill the dummy each and everything and submit your application. So here you can see that it will give you a less than one week for the preliminary review. Here you can preliminary review, not the status not is a waiting list. In Pakistan it provides a 2 to 6 months waiting list, but in Germany here you can see that sorry, here in the UK here you can see that it is just giving you a preliminary review. It will be done in within 1 week in within a 1 weeks. So like 1 2 days maybe it takes. So it is very easy. Just if you want to go to Germany from the UK, so you can definitely fill out take the offer unconditional offer letter from the conditional or unconditional offer letter from the university and block account, so you can go to the Germany within meanwhile. So it is very easy and no waiting list here is available. So from the Pakistan it is very lengthy procedure and very waiting. You must have to wait 2 to 6 months for the appointment from the embassy for the preliminary review, but in the UK it directly gives you a appointment. So if you like this video, please like the video and subscribe the channel and click on bell icon. So if you want to delete your application, so you must have to delete this applications, because you have provided the dummy data. So it will waste your time and other applicants and German admission appointment delays time. So you must have to delete as soon as possible this application data. So thanks for watching, take care. By this method you can check the appointment correctly and you can update your profile.